Question: if f is a function satisfying f x plus y is equal to f x into f y for all x y belonging to capital N, such that f1 is equal to 3 and sigma f x is equal to 120, n is varying from 1 to n. Find the value of n. Given f1 is equal to 3 and f x plus y is equal to f x into f y. Put x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. f1 plus 1 is equal to f1 into f1. f2 is equal to f1 value is 3. Value of f1 is 3. 3 into 3, 9. f2 is equal to 9. f3 is equal to f1 plus 2 is equal to, from this relation, f1 into f2. f1 is 3, f2 is 9, 27. f4 is equal to f1 plus 3, f1 into f3, from this relation, f1 is 3, f3 is 27 is equal to 81. Now, sigma f x is equal to 120. Given that sigma f x is equal to 120, n is varying from 1 to n, or f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus fn is equal to 120. f1 is 3, f2 is 9, f3 is 27, f4 is 81 plus n terms equal to 120. This is in GP whose first term a is equal to 3 and common ratio r is equal to 9 upon 3, 3. Number of terms we have to find using formula Sn is equal to a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A first term is 3, r is 3 power n minus 1, r minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. 3 power n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 120, or 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 120 upon 1 into 3 by 2 इधर आकर पलट जाएगा 2 by 3, 80. 80 plus 1 is equal to 81. 81 can be written as 3 power 4. Therefore, comparing exponents n is equal to 4. Answer: number of terms n या value of n is 4. Question: the sum of some terms of GP is 315, whose first term and common ratio are 5 and 2 respectively. Find the last term and the number of terms. किसी GP के कुछ पदों का योगफल 315 है, जिसका पहला पद 5 है और कॉमन रेशियो r 2 है. तो लास्ट टर्म हमें ज्ञात करना है और पदों की संख्या ज्ञात करना है. गिवन फर्स्ट टर्म a इज इक्वल टू 5 एंड कॉमन रेशियो r इज इक्वल टू 2. Let number of terms is n, then s is equal to 315. R is greater than 1, therefore formula a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Put a is equal to 5, n r is equal to 2. Five ones are 5, 6 are 5, 3s are 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 63. 2 power n is equal to 63 plus 1 is equal to 64 is equal to 2 power 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6. Number of terms is 6. Last term Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. A is 5, r is 2, n is 6. 5 into 2 power 5, 32. 160. Answer. Last term is 160 and number of term is 6. Question. The first term of AGP is 1. The sum of third term and fifth term is 90. Find the common ratio of GP. किसी GP का पहला पद 1 है और तीसरा और पांचों पदों का योगफल 90 है, तो हमें कॉमन रेशियो R निकालना है. Here first term A is equal to 1. Common ratio is equal to R. We have to find question mark. Sum of third term and fifth term is 90. Given third term plus fifth term is equal to 90. Third term is a r power 2, 3 minus 1. Fifth term is a r power 5 minus 1, 4. Put a is equal to 1. R square plus r power 4 is equal to 90. R power 4 plus r square minus 90 is equal to 0. Put r square is equal to y. Then y square plus y minus 90 is equal to 0. 10 9s are 90. Splitting middle term 10y minus 9y minus 9 equal to 0. Taking y common, y plus 10 minus 9 common, y plus 10. Taking y plus 10 common, y minus 9 equal to 0. If y plus 10 is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 10, or y is r square is equal to minus 10. Impossible or rejected. If second factor y minus 9 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 9 or r square equal to 9. Value of y is r square. R is equal to plus minus 3. Answer. Common ratio is plus minus 3.